Amid instability in the Middle East, confrontation with Israel and international sanctions, Iran continues to develop its military industry. Using its scientific and technical potential, as well as foreign developments, Iran is creating effective weapons, focusing on the missile industry and unmanned aerial vehicles. The Iranian hypersonic missile Fattah is presented. According to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, it is capable of overcoming any missile defense system in the world. This is a high-precision two-stage solid-fuel rocket. The second stage is a warhead, equipped with engines with a controlled thrust vector, which is capable of maneuvering in the upper atmosphere. Maximum speed up to Mach 15. Firing range up to 1,400 kilometers. Its main purpose is to defeat the enemy's missile defense systems in order to ensure the overflight of other missiles to targets. The Zolfaghar short-range ballistic missile is being improved. The range is up to 700 kilometers. However, according to reports, this figure is planned to be increased to 1,000 kilometers. The missile guidance system is inertial with GPS correction. The accuracy is approximately 5 meters. The mass of the missile is 4,600 kilograms, of which the warhead is 600 kilograms. In flight, the warhead separates and continues its independent flight to the target, which makes interception difficult. The Shahid-149 Gaza heavy drone is essentially an analog of the American Reaper. It was named Gaza in honor of the Palestinian struggle against Israel. The drone has impressive characteristics. So the flight time is up to 35 hours. The maximum range according to various data is from 2,000 to 7,000 kilometers. The speed is 350 kilometers per hour. The altitude is 11 kilometers. The control is carried out via satellite communication. The payload consists of 13 bombs and 500 kilograms of electronic equipment, including day and night cameras with magnification up to 120 times, a thermal imaging camera, a laser rangefinder. The Arash-2 heavy kamikaze drone is designed to destroy enemy infrastructure and air defense systems at a range of up to 2,000 kilometers. The high-explosive warhead weighs about 260 kilograms. The speed of the drone due to the use of a gasoline engine does not exceed 260 kilometers per hour. The combined control system is an inertial system with satellite navigation correction at the beginning of the flight and an optoelectric system with artificial intelligence elements at the end. According to reports, the drone is capable of autonomously finding and hitting moving targets. It is used both from the ground and from ships. The Shahid-136 kamikaze drone strikes stationary targets with known coordinates. Its use does not involve barraging in the air in search of a target. The maximum range, according to various estimates, is from 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. The altitude is up to 4 kilometers. Drone has a piston engine and provides speeds of up to 170 kilometers per hour. Mass-use launchers are mainly used for launching. The flying wing scheme and composite materials provide low visibility for air defense radars. Iran has reportedly developed a variant with a jet engine. The Mohajer 6 multifunctional short-range drone is being improved. The takeoff weight is about 600 kg. The payload is 100 kg. The combat radius is up to 500 kilometers. The time in the air is 12 hours. The altitude is 5,500 meters. The speed is 200 kilometers per hour. Up to 4 small-sized high-precision ammunition of the Sadid type, communications, reconnaissance and electronic warfare can be used as a target load. The drone is used in conjunction with kamikaze drones to issue and correct target designations. The Karar tank is improved. Its main armament is a 125mm smoothbore cannon. Additionally, a heavy machine gun is installed in the remote-controlled combat module. The tank is equipped with an automatic loader, which causes a rate of fire of about 8 rounds per minute. The crew is 3 people. The tank's armor is composite, and there are also dynamic protection panels. The survivability of the tank is also provided by the optoelectric counteraction system. It consists of a laser warning subsystem, an optoelectric jammer and devices for creating an aerosol. The installation of an active protection system, like the Israeli Trophy, is being worked out. According to various sources, the engine power is up to 1,000 horsepower, and the specific power is about 20 horsepower per ton. The range is up to 550 kilometers. According to experts, the Russian T-90 MiZ was taken as the basis of the Iranian tank. The new Iranian Shahid-149 anti-tank missile system has a firing range of up to 8 kilometers. The guidance system is passive infrared and operates in shot-and-forget mode. It is possible to choose a trajectory, straight and hinged in the least unprotected part of the armored vehicles. The Bavar 373 anti-aircraft missile system corresponds in efficiency to the most modern models of this class. The new type of air defense system includes 2 vehicles with radar stations for various purposes, a command post and several self-propelled vertical launchers. The system provides detection of up to 100 aerial targets at a range of up to 400 kilometers, simultaneous tracking of 60 and firing of 6 of them with 12 missiles. The defeat of all types of aerial targets is carried out using several types of missiles, at a range of up to 300 kilometers and an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The Bavar 373 is the first air defense system, created entirely by the Iranian industry. According to the military and political leadership of Iran, the SAM will create serious competition for the Russian S-400. It should complement the existing systems and significantly increase the potential of the Iranian air defense. In addition to Iran, the Bavar 373 is also in service with the Syrian air defense. Another example of Iran's unmanned aircraft is the Shahid-149 reconnaissance and strike vehicle. The main purpose of the drone is to participate in special operations and suppress enemy air defenses. The takeoff weight is 500 kg. It has a flight range of up to 1,500 kilometers, and a flight time of 5 hours. The speed is about 300 kilometers per hour. The altitude is 7,600 meters. It is reported that the drone has a turbojet engine. Sadid ammunition with a total weight of up to 100 kilograms, placed in the inner compartment, is used as an armament. These are just a few examples of weapons being developed by Iran. Thus, despite international restrictions, Iran has managed to build a sufficiently technological military industry. Yes, many areas such as manned combat aviation and the Navy have not yet been developed. However, by focusing on missile technology and unmanned strike aircraft, the Iranian armed forces can become a serious opponent for the most advanced armies in the world. First of all, of course, Israel. Well, we are for world peace. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.